ZIBO, Taibo Industrial Company Limited is a comprehensive food processing machine enterprise engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of vegetable processing machine, fruit processing machine, meat processing machine, nut processing machine, and bakery equipment, including single machine and turnkey production line solution. Our products are widely used in farm, food processing factory, restaurant, and other food processing unit. We are located in ZIBO City, Shandong Province, which is a heavy industrial base with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. We always improve product technology and service. Selling well in China, our products are also exported to more than 80 countries, such as UK, Poland, Hungary, Greece, USA, Canada, Mexico, Colombia, Chile, Ecuador, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, India and Saudi Arabia, UAE, Lebanon, Qatar, Russia, Georgia, Australia, New Zealand, Tunisia, Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, South Africa. And we have won good reputation from customers. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, please talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements, and we will provide professional proposal. In the future development, we will insist the idea provide customer, professional, and high-quality products and service to seek common development with new and old customers. We sincerely expect that we can have opportunity to cooperate with you.